This is 7 ways to create a longing so deep in a man that he cannot stop thinking about you, even when he's been pulling away. Now, none of this is about tactics or games. It's about the one force that creates a real attraction between a man and a woman: polarity. When you operate from your feminine core, a masculine man can't help but feel drawn to you. Number one, the feminine attracts. She doesn't hunt. When you chase a man, you step into his energy and dissolve the polarity that makes desire possible. A masculine man is biologically wired to pursue. The moment you stop hunting and start simply being open, present, and rooted in your feminine energy, you become what he is designed to move towards. You are the flame. Let him be the moth. Number two, the feminine is being, not doing. Most women try to create attraction by doing more, texting more, showing up more. But feminine energy is not about doing, it's about being. And when you settle into your body, your feelings, and your natural warmth, you radiate something that performing will never produce. And that warmth is exactly what a man longs to return to when you are not there. Number three, the feminine lets go, the masculine holds on. When you release your focus from his moves, his posts, his signals, you stop feeding the attachment that actually weakens your position. The feminine does not grip, she surrenders. And when you are no longer tracking his every step, he starts wondering why you aren't. That wondering becomes longing. Number four, the feminine is patient, not urgent. When he does reach out, respond from a grounded, unhurried place. The masculine is urgent, the feminine is patient. Calm, easy replies from a woman who is clearly not waiting signals one powerful truth: she has a full inner world, and a man who encounters that space wants to be inside of it. Number five, the feminine is provided for, not isolated. A woman whose life is full of other women, deep community, and genuine joy is deeply in her feminine. When he sees your world does not stop without him, his masculine instinct to protect and provide activates. He feels the need to be needed by you and to earn his place beside you. Number six, the feminine plants seeds of appreciation. Every specific heartfelt expression of appreciation is a seed that multiplies. It does not have to be grand, it only has to be real. When a man feels genuinely honored in your presence, he begins to associate being with you with feeling like himself at his best. That is the seed that grows into devotion. Number seven, the feminine opens, the masculine pursues. A woman who shares her feelings vulnerably without agenda and without needing to control the outcome activates a man's deepest instinct to step up and be her hero. He does not miss a woman who stays closed and guarded. He misses the woman who trusted him enough to let him see her real heart. Attraction between a man and a woman is never forced. It grows naturally from polarity. When you return to your feminine core, you become the kind of woman a man can't get out of his mind, his heart, or his soul.